Since 1966, we develop astronomical instruments in the third generation and distribute products of well-known manufacturers. This results in an extensive portfolio that ranges from optical and mechanical accessories up to turnkey observatories.
The innovations and ideas of the Baader family have shaped the company and driven its continuous growth. Today, 6 locations stand side by side, each with its own specialization. This close proximity creates a manufacturing environment in which precision is not only possible, but has long since become the standard. The ideal foundation for the third generation of the Baader family to continue driving innovation forward. All Baader domes are designed in Mammendorf and produced using established methods. Our work begins long before a dome goes into operation. Every component and every mechanical connection must be assembled with precision and inspected with care to ensure reliable long-term performance. Our team is on site for every dome installation worldwide. This allows us to ensure smooth operation, even under extreme conditions such as snow, ice, or extreme heat. From domes to large telescopes, Baader supplies complete, factory-integrated and precisely configured systems, if required also as upgrades for existing observatories. To ensure that every system is perfectly integrated, Baader Planetarium develops and manufactures more than 2,000 proprietary accessories, such as eyepieces, filters, and adapters, which are distributed internationally through an extensive network of resellers, a portfolio that continues to grow year after year. This ranges from long-established solutions, such as products for solar observation and photography, up to specially developed spectrographs for scientific applications. The realization of large-scale projects is one of Baader's core strengths.
For us, projects are always partnerships. We support our customers from the initial idea through detailed planning stages, integration and installation up to the finished project, which can be a process of several years. In addition, we provide support and maintenance during active operation after completion of the project. Many of our installations have been in continuous, fault-free operation for decades.
Today, Baader components and integrated systems are in use on every continent, in private observatories, educational and research institutions, at organizations such as NASA, ESA, DLR, and the German Armed Forces, as well as in optical ground stations for new space applications.
Trust, appreciation, and a good atmosphere within the team are extremely important to us. Every role plays a valuable part to our success. Finding people who truly fit our team is therefore one of the key factors in our recruitment process. We are especially pleased that our employees often organize get-togethers outside of work, a great sign that team spirit extends beyond the workplace.
Baader Planetarium, 3 generations, over 60 years of experience.